Now here we're looking at enlargements, and in my first example the scale factor is 3, so we're timesing by 3, and the centre is -1, 2, so -1, 2, and that's where the centre is. Ideally what we would draw on is ray lines, i.e. the projection lines. So from there we draw a faint line going along, so we know that that point is going to be somewhere along there. We do the same for the other two as well, so to that point and move along, and also from that point and move along. However, in reality what I do is I identify how far away we are. So from the centre, to this corner, this bottom point here, we are 2 away and we are 1 down. 2 across, 1 down is where we are. Well, if I times by 3, we're now going to be 6 away and we're going to be 3 down. So from the centre, we're going to be 6 away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 3 down. 1, 2, 3. You'll know if you're right because it should be on that line. Let's set this corner point. We are 1, 2, 3 away. Well, not anymore. We're going to be 9 away because 3 3s are 9, and we were 1 down. 1 down is now 3 down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 1, 2, 3. Again, puts me on that line. Finally, this point here was 2 away, so we know that's going to be 6, and was 1 up, so that's going to now be 3 up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1, 2, 3 up. And if you join those 3 points up, you'll see that we have enlarged the triangle by a factor of 3, but its position from the centre is also accurate. And there's our image. Repeat myself with the second one. So a very similar triangle to the previous. The centre is 0, 3, so it's up there. So again, start with your ray lines. So 1 from there, projecting away. From there to that corner 1, projecting away, and likewise the third one. The scale factor is ×2. And if I look at that corner point first of all, it was 2 across and 2 down. Well, not anymore. It's now going to be 4 across, 4 down, because times by 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, we know we're right because it's on that line. This point here was 1, 2, 3, 4 across. Well, not anymore. It's going to be 8 across. And it was 2 down, which we know is now 4 down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4 down. The third point is 2 across, so it's now going to be 4 across, and is 1 up, and 1 up now becomes 2 up. So we're now 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2 up. And if we join up, we've made that twice as B. However, one of our points is wrong because it's not on the line. So just double check that point. We are 1, 2, 3 across. I miscounted, not 4, 3 across. So it's going to be 6 across. And that's the whole point of the ray lines. You can double check your working. So to repeat myself, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 across, and 1, 2, 3, 4 down. So the benefit of the ray lines, I knew that that point was wrong. So we join up, and there we have made the shape twice as big. Now, in this particular one, we are given the transformation, and because we're looking at enlargements, we can say that it's an enlargement. We can say the scale factor, because If I look at the sides, that goes 1, 2, 3, 4 across, and this one goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 across. So I can see that the scale factor is 2. All I'm left to work out now is what the centre is. Now, to establish the centre, I join the corresponding points up. So that corner point up there must match with that corner point up there. So if I join those 2 points up and I carry the line on, the centre must be somewhere on there. Likewise, this point and this point must match up. So if I join those 2 up, I've got sufficient working to say where the centre is. Though if I joined that to that point and carried it on, I'd get the same place. So the centre is at 2, 1, 2, 1. Question done.